So in the last couple of years, or last few years, there have been a couple of members experiments program or members experiments projects on bees, or bumblebees in particular, and I think the experiment we did in 2017 in collaboration with the Centre for Agroecology, Water and Resilience at Coventry University is a really good example of the sort of the new generation of members experiments. So I don't know, Judith, could you please explain a bit what we did in the Blooms for Bees project, that's what it was called?
Yeah, so Blooms for Bees created an app which enabled members of the public, gardeners primarily, to observe the bumblebees in their garden, to identify the species and also to record them as well as a kind of biological recording tool that could be more widely shared. And as part of the whole Blooms for Bees project, we had a dahlia trial, so people could grow 3 different colours of dahlias and use the app to record any bees visiting the dahlias like they could for other flowers. And we did this in collaboration with our partners, including Garden Organic, who made the dahlia trial available to their members as one of the members' experiments that year.
This experiment was done with other partners as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, we worked with, as well as Garden Organic, we worked with the Bumblebee Conservation Trust and the Royal Horticultural Society, and the dahlia trial was made available to all of their members as well, and we had a really good response as a result actually. We had to order more seed because we had more people sign up than we'd anticipated. So
how many people were out there nationwide to actually record, or to, how many people took part basically?
So about 6,700 people downloaded the Blooms for Bees app. Not all of them used it to record, but I know a lot of people certainly thought it was a very good tool for helping with bumblebee identification. And we had more than 2,100 participants in the dahlia trial as well, so it was quite a good uptake.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And some of those were obviously members' experiments as well.
They were, yeah.
We
had a keen uptake of people from our sort of members' experiments pool who also took part. So yeah, there was all-round collaboration.
So we actually found that the colour of the dahlia didn't make any significant difference, but the key thing that we did find from the dahlia trial was that these sort of lower growing dwarf dahlias were a really good alternative to a lot of traditional bedding. So people did overall find out that lots of bees did visit them, and because they're a bright, colourful plant, the kind of thing that people would want to use for bedding displays, it made them a really good alternative to a lot of the traditional things like begonias, which, whilst being quite colourful, aren't really that attractive to insects and don't provide a lot of forage. So that was a good outcome of the dahlia trial.
And as well as I understand being reported back to the members and to the wider public about the results, this citizen science activity has also now been written up for a scientific paper, which is currently being peer reviewed.
Yeah, there are going to be at least 2 papers, but we have got one paper in particular which is currently under review. And the aspect that's analysing is actually the citizen science aspect, so the accuracy of findings and how users of the app, how their identification skills improved as time went on. We're able in that paper to make quite a lot of recommendations for future projects, from things that we've learned as the best way to go about using such a tool to record wildlife in British gardens. So.
And the project even won a really important award, didn't it?
Yeah, actually we won a Bees Needs Award from DEFRA. So we went off to Kew Gardens in late 2017 to collect that. So that was great, recognised our contribution to bumblebee ecology. Yeah.
Thank you very much. That's wonderful. Thank you.